What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Bald back at it. It's kind of hot today here in Texas. I was going to get out and clean this barn. Look at this mess. Look at this. Everything has been unorganized for almost a year because I haven't been out here doing any woodwork. So the next time you see this, I'll actually probably make a vid of myself cleaning it up a little bit. I do want to get it back in order. Just gonna let the barn cool out a little bit by opening the doors. Yeah, anyway, see you on the next one. Alright, here we are so far. We're only about 20 minutes in. Clearing it out, about to vacuum it, all that good stuff. Yeah, we're starting to get a little bit more space in here. Let's see. There we go. So here I am, compared. I can usually walk around in here and I'll sit down at the bench, all that good stuff, and work. So we're gonna get it back to normal. Can't wait. See you on the next clip. All right, we just vacuumed up the floor. Looks a whole lot better. All the way over. Using rigid shop vac. Anyway, just wanted to put an update on here and you'll see the rest here in a bit. Alright, here it is. So it is cleaned out. So let's start with the front. Double doors, plenty of room. Utilizing the space. Eventually I will utilize the space up there, I just don't know what I'm going to do with it up there yet. Anyway, so we have that there. Since I do my yard and a few other yards, you know, that's always right there at hand, ready to go. Just pull it right out of the door. Got everything stacked up over here. Tons of stuff in there. I'm sure I forgot what's back there. Lots of stuff in there. You got your bean bags as well. Of course, I got all the Ryobi tools and all different kinds of stuff in there. Got a bunch of stuff there and there. So these multi-level shelves are always good to have. Of the barn anyway. Got your pegboard. I don't really hang much on this pegboard anymore. Have the Works chainsaw that's did me wonders and I love it. And yeah, have that there. Go Cowboys. Old Michael Jordan, Pogs. Now I got my multi-level shelf here too. You got your lights. You got your toolbox I've done many reviews on. You got another level right here. All kinds of miscellaneous. And down there, I got all the paints and liquids and stuff. Now I got this here. I can easily move this out when I need to use it. Got your rolling cart from Harbor Freight. The vacuum I just used. Easily move it out through the punching bag back behind that. And just all kinds of stuff in the spaces. You know, you got a lot of space, so you can put baseball bat, your wood piece, whatever you need to, your staff stick, that. What else we got here? Golf club, whatever you want to put back there. The club, and of course, since I actually sit at this space, I can sit down here, and I still can scoot all the way up to do some woodworking. Usually this is where I do the woodworking. I put the scroll saw here, I screw it to the table, and I just cut wood here, and then I take the scroll saw away and then I'll stain it and coat it and all that good stuff right here on this little desk. But underneath you got a lot of storage. You got your bin for your wood pieces. I don't have a cat, but I have the litter from my old vehicle. Got a new vehicle since then. It doesn't leak oil anymore. Fire starter logs. So this is what you can do with 10 by 12 square feet of space. I got my double windows, and as you see, I made my own shelves, so you can put multiple items up on the shelf. Hogs. That's what I grew up playing in the 90s. A wooden mug, all that good stuff. So just imagine if I had a shelf on every single one of these spaces on the wall, that's a lot more space I could have. so I'm sure you can utilize the space better than I have, but you just put some 2x4s in there and you got lots of shelf space. Same with over here. That's where you get your space from, is when you hang stuff on the wall and put stuff in between the boards. And I still have a lot of space to roll around in. It's not meant for this. I'm probably going to put the two 24-speed bicycles back over here in this corner. But just know this is what you can do with the space. So even if you use all of this space here, say I put the two 24 speeds sticking out, I still have plenty of room to sit over here at the desk. Got your bicycles there, and I still have room to take the lawnmower and stuff in and out. And if I need to get to something, just got to move a few things around. So I have a lot of stuff in this barn, and again, this is what you could do with a Tuff Shed 12 by 10 barn, 10 by 12. Anyway, thanks for watching the vid, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya. Oh, by the way, those are the states I've been so far. A couple of other ones that I have not put up yet, but we're going to be adding to that. See ya. By the way, just to give you an idea with the bicycles in there. Plenty of room. This is what you can do with 10 by 12. Lots of room. It all comes down to how you store stuff. With lots of leg room. Oh, the stool should go back over here, by the way. There we go. See ya. And here she is, all closed up in the backyard. Once you get in that barn, you got a lot of space and room, as you see. But here she is. Hope you enjoyed the vid.